In this tutorial, I'll guide you on how to brighten teeth using Canva. First, start by selecting the image you want to edit. Tap on the picture and choose the Edit option. From the available tools, navigate to the Magic Studio and select the Magic Eraser tool. Using the Brush tool, carefully highlight the teeth area. Be as precise as possible to ensure the best results. Once done, click on Apply. This action will remove the selected area, preparing it for further adjustments. It might look unusual initially, but we'll refine it in the next steps. Go back to the Edit menu and select Adjust. Under this section, use the White Balance tool to enhance the teeth. Slightly adjust the temperature to add a natural brightness. You can also use the Whites slider under the Light section to achieve the desired effect. With these adjustments, the teeth will appear noticeably brighter and more polished. That's how you can lighten teeth in Canva. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be happy to help.